Okay, so we figured our AB on that example. We had matrix A was 2, 0, negative 1, 1. This you should already have down. And then 3, negative 2, 4, 0. And we multiplied those together yesterday, and we got 6, negative 4, 1, 2. Okay, today I'm going to do B times A. Okay, so B was the 3, negative 2, 4, 0, and the A was the 2, 0, negative 1, 1. When you are multiplying, when you multiply, you stay with rows in the first one times columns in the second one until you exhaust all the columns. Then you go to the next row. Okay, and it's a lot of mental arithmetic. Okay, a lot of mental. So you're going to do this with me. We're going to go this row across and this column down. Okay, and I recommend you use your finger. I do the left hand. Okay, in this one I go across rows by column. Okay, so multiply these two. 3 times 2 would be 6. Go across here and down here. Multiply these two, negative 2 times negative 1. 2 and add them together would be 8. Okay? And how do you know where to put it? It was first row, first column. So over here it goes in the first row, first column. Okay? You stay with this row and go to the next column. Multiply 3 times 0 would be 0. Go across here and down here. So negative 2 times 1. Negative 2 and add them together should be negative 2. Once you've exhausted the columns, then you go to the next row. So now we're going to go to this row and this column. Multiply these two. 4 times 2 is 8. You go across here and down here. 0 times negative 1 is 0. Add them together would be 8. Okay? Stay with this row, go to the next column. 4 times 0, 0. Go across here and down here. 0 times 1 is 0, and add them together is 0. So you should end up with, hang on, you should end up with 8, negative 2, 8, 0. Are these answers the same? No. That tells you on the test, it's a reading problem. It makes a difference. Did I ask for AB or BA? This is telling you multiplication of, and if you want to do all matrices, it's matrices 2 by 2. Okay? Okay? Multiplication of 2 by 2 matrices is not commutative. And it's not commune with an N, it's commute with a T. Multiplication of 2 by 2 matrices is not commutative. So you need to make a note there, it's a reading problem. On the test, the order that I ask for it makes a difference. You write those matrices in that order. Okay? Okay, let's look at another example. Say I give you matrix A, and remember it was rows by columns. This is a 2 by 3. 2 rows by 3 columns. Okay, first row across. If you just listen, you can write it down. First row across is 2, negative 1, 0. Second row across is 3, 4, 5. Okay, matrix B is a 3 by 1. 3 rows by 1 column. First row is 5. Next row is 6. The next row is negative 1. Okay? Now if I ask you to find AB, first you have to decide, can it be done? Dimensions of this is a 2 by 3? And this is a 3 by 1. Can it be done? Yes. And my answer is a 2 by 1. Okay, so put them right beside each other. Write it down for your notebook. And I need a 2 by 1. That's 2 rows by 1 column. So here's what I'm trying to fill in. 2 rows by 1 column. Okay. Now when you multiply, it's on the left hand you're going across, right hand you're going down. So multiply. 2 times 5 would be 10. Negative 1 times 6. Add them together. Okay, then multiply 0 times negative 1. 0 times negative 1 would be 0. And our final answer is 4. Okay, so go to the next row, times this column. 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 6, 24. Add them together. 39. Then 5 times negative 1. Negative 5. 39 and negative 5. 34. Okay, so there's some mental arithmetic. If you want to jot it down outside, that's fine with me. That's not going to hurt anything. Okay. If in the book the author gives you 3 matrices to multiply, like if I said multiply A, B, C, and if I put the parentheses around that, that means you do the A and the B first. Then take that answer times matrix C. If I wrote it this way, A, B, C, then I would multiply the BC first, okay, and then I would put A in front, okay. Let's say I do on this one the same problem. Let's do BA. Okay, if I did BA, it would be 3 by 1 and a 2 by 3. Can it be done? No, because the inside ones are not the same. So this one on this example would be impossible. Okay, so you always want to check dimensions first. To be able to multiply them, those inside dimensions have to be the same. Okay? Okay. Another example. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 matrices. Matrix A is a 3 by 3. Okay, first row across is 4, negative 1, 2. Second row across is 0, 1, 0. Third row across is 3, negative 2, 4. Okay, matrix B is a 2 by 2. First row across is 4, 2. Second row across is negative 2, 3. Matrix C is a 2 by 3. 2 rows by 3 columns. First row across is 1, 2, negative 3. Second row across is 3, 1, 0. Okay? Okay, first find AB. Can it be done? No, that one's impossible. Okay, find BC. B is a 2 by 3, or 2 by 2, sorry. C is a 2 by 3. Can it be done? Yep. And my answer is a 2 by 3. Okay. Take a minute and find that answer. When you get done, check with your neighbor. See if you agree. Okay, check answers. First row across should be 10, 10, negative 12. Second row across should be 7, negative 1, 6. Okay? Okay, that's as much as we're going to go through. Okay?